Grand Rising and Shalom, everyone. I wanted to tell you about last night. We are getting ready to start our total body reset, and it will begin on December the 15th. So last night we had a great meeting. It was a few of us. It wasn't many, but it was a great time. We had time to share quite a few things. This is our fourth total body reset that we're going through, and each of the ladies shared the strength, the growth that they see since they've been doing this with us. So, but last night, what I learned was that water is very, very, very important for our bodies. We must stay hydrated. And I did a fast not long ago. And as I was telling them about my experience dealing with water, and I've also been reading a book called Your Body's Many Cries for Water. And I think I have it with me right here. Maybe not. I don't think it's here. But anyway, if I see it, I'll bring it up. Your Body's Many Cries for Water. And the book tells about all the different things that can be a sign that you're dehydrated. So I've been experiencing with Relight from Redmond's Real Salt, and using the little packets that they have. Within 3 days, I began to have so much energy, and I did so many things in that one day. And I was like, man, this is great. So with the fast that I was doing, I was just doing water, of course. And the second day, I got so much energy. I mean, I was able to make 6 smoothies. I was able to feed my mother. I take care of my mother. I was able to feed my mother breakfast, make 6 smoothies, go shopping, and the neighbors went along with me to help with my mom. And after that, we got home maybe about 1 close to 2. I'm not sure. I don't remember. But after that, I was able to make applesauce for her breakfast, make oatmeal for her breakfast for a few days, about 3 days worth of oatmeal. And also, because I alternate with different things for her, I use toast as well, toast and applesauce and toast. We grew up on that, and she likes it. And I also did her lunch. I meal prepped her lunch, and I've cooked it, and then I put it in the different containers to freeze, some to freeze and some to use for this week. So I had so much energy, and usually during a fast, I usually don't have, I don't know about everyone else, but I usually don't have that much energy. But I was drinking water constantly throughout the day, at least 2 cups in the morning, at least a whole cup at a time, or sometimes just sipping. And so I just wanted to share that, and it came to me as I was sharing it with them, with the ladies who joined last night, about how important it is that we stay hydrated. That a lot of times, also too, it could be a reason why we have aches and pains and certain illnesses, because our body needs that water to replenish, to help our blood flow through our bodies and get the water through the cells to help them function the way that they should function. So, if I'm saying that correctly. So, I'm in my learning stages still for learning about how to help others and myself reach a total healing, total body healing. And it's all to the glory of the Most High, Yahweh. He is worthy to be praised in all things. And so I give him the glory and the honor, because without him, we wouldn't be here. No one would be here. And he is my strength, my salvation, and my all. So that's what happened last night, and we were able to share, and it just came to me at that time, man, I was hydrated. Just last night during the meeting, I came to the knowledge that I was truly hydrated. And if that's how we're supposed to feel, if that's how we're supposed to move every single day, I can imagine how much can get done. I mean, even though I do a lot every day, I was able to do more. Like, I just kept going and going and going and going and going. And with the relight, it was even more powerful, because I was sitting around thinking, what else can I do? What else can I do? Even after I had done so many things, and I did more than I did on Monday, this week. You know, when I had that boost of energy. So I just wanted to share this with you all, and so as well, I want to share that you are welcome to join us. It doesn't matter. You missed the meeting. It's okay. And I know I didn't put it on YouTube, but I am now, so you can join us. And I apologize for that. You can join us Sunday. It starts. We are to have a meeting at my house. We'll see. Not a meeting, but a meet and greet, where we bring in a dish, and it should be a plant-based dish to share, and you can bring someone. Some of you know where I live, and if you would like to join us, that's fine. But the Total Body Reset, give your information, leave a message, give your information, and I will give you the information to the link, the WhatsApp, and other ways that you can contact me to start this journey on a Total Body Reset. And this time we're doing plant-based for 2 weeks, sharing recipes, sharing different ways to help to ease your way into eating a plant-based diet, if you want to try it, or if you want to alternate throughout, your time, until you decide you want to maybe go full term eating that way. I don't know. It's up to you, but anything's worth a try, especially when you have some issues, some health concerns that you want to correct. And our bodies just need the right environment to correct itself. So there's no magic. It's just the Most High foods, fruits and vegetables that He gives us, and plenty of water, I'm learning. So that's it. You can join us. It's 2 weeks of plant-based eating, and then the last week we're going to ease in the last week of the plant-based eating. 2 days, taking away one meal each day, and then the next day fruits and vegetables raw. So that's what we're going to be doing for 3 weeks. We're going to be promoting this, and if you know of anybody who wants to join us, that's fine. Even if they come after the 15th, that's fine. Anytime you start is a good time. Just starting is all that matters. That you start, you put one foot forward to do what it is that you need to do to be healthy and prosperous. Because the Most High's plans for us is to prosper us, to give us a future and a hope. It's not for disaster. So I thank you for listening, and I pray you have a great day and the rest of your week, and that you will join us. Oh, I meant to say our Zoom meetings are going to be held on Sunday evenings at 7 p.m. And like I said, just put your information in. I'm on Facebook, Tara Thompson, and you can just send me a message through Messenger, and then I'll give you the information if you're interested. All right, so thank you. You all have a great day, and drink your water. Hallelujah. Praises be to the Most High.